In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price in TikTok Shop. First, open your TikTok Shop account and sign into the seller dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct seller profile so the shop tools are visible. From the main menu, head to the Products section. This is your central place for managing listings, and it's where you'll start whenever you want to add something new. Click Add Product to create a new listing. You'll land on a form that guides you through everything needed for a complete product page. Begin by uploading images of your product. Choose bright, clear photos with a clean background and show the item from multiple angles if you can. Sharp, high-resolution images help customers understand what they're buying and can lower return rates. Avoid watermarks or busy backgrounds that distract from the item. Next, enter the product name and select the most accurate category. Use a descriptive, searchable name that includes the key attributes customers care about, like the type, main feature, or size. Choosing the correct category helps your product appear in the right places and unlocks the attributes buyers expect to see. Then, write a concise, honest description. Explain what the product is, who it's for, its key features, materials, or sizing details, and any important usage notes. Keep the language clear and avoid exaggerated claims. Now, scroll to the Sales Information section. This is where you add your price. Enter the amount you want to charge in the currency shown for your region. Think through all your costs, product sourcing, packaging, platform fees, and shipping, so your price is sustainable. Consider rounding to a clean number that looks intentional and make sure it aligns with the value your photos and description communicate. If you plan to run discounts later, set a base price that still works for your margins. You can update pricing after publishing, but setting it thoughtfully now saves revisions. Before finishing, complete any other required fields. The form will flag anything missing, such as brand, attributes, or compliance details that depend on your category. Take a moment to review your images, title, category, description, and price for accuracy and consistency. When everything looks good, click Submit for review. TikTok Shop will check your listing for policy compliance and quality. Reviews may take some time, and you'll be notified if edits are needed. Common reasons include unclear photos, the wrong category, or incomplete attributes. Once approved, your product goes live in your shop with the price you set, ready for customers to discover and buy.